Carter, so what's been going on with your grave digger?
Generally been charging it a lot and done red.
Yeah, we've been leaving it charged all night long.
But
And
we have a new battery over there.
yeah, it makes it to the bottom of the yard and it's dead. So we got this little adapter.
I want to go down and I was like, it was like, I want to go down and I want to go up.
Yep, you don't want everyone to come back up the yard. So we got this little adapter off Amazon for DeWalt 18 volt and 20 volt max. And it was only like 15 bucks. We'll put the link for it down in the description, but we're gonna get it wired in and see if it makes any difference to this grave digger. I mean, because it's got a 24 volt in it already, but from the videos I've watched, this little thing with a DeWalt battery should absolutely rip. So let's get this other one wired in. Alright, we're gonna try out the battery before we put the shrink tubing on and everything.
Yeah.
See if it makes noise.
So I hope it works.
Alright, let's finish getting it wired in, shrink tubing on, and then we'll see if it actually rips. The new battery converter is in, so let's see if this thing is any zippier than it was before. What do you think?
That's fast.
It's fast?
Yeah.
All right, now let's see if it'll go down the yard and then come back. Oh, over the rocks. It worked. Let's go see if we can pull that limb up the hill.
Okay.
Alrighty, drive it down there.
Wait, the rope is.
Got the rope. It's all tied up. See if you can pull this limb up the hill. It's doing it. Keep going. You got it, Karter. It did it. That was awesome. This little hack, if you have extra drill batteries but don't want to go spend all the money on buying a new 24 volt for the power wheels, just get one of these off Amazon. Like I said, we'll leave a link down in the description. What is that from?
You remember that RC?
Oh, the RC that you completely bashed.
While it was charging one, it's not going as fast.
Yeah, so what did you decide to do to it?
Just break it.
Yeah, you broke that thing. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, what the heck you doing, man? What are you doing to that RC?
It didn't do nothing. I'm trying to
What are you doing? Is that still, hey, are you gonna break that? Don't break it, what do you mean?
It's broken.
Oh, that one's already broken?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, look at the rear axle. Whoa, missed the tree. Damn it. Oh, the whole rear suspension pulled out of it.
Big wheel off.
Body shell hit me. The chassis over there. Game over. Alright, Karter. You are in your newly upgraded grave digger. And now there are 34 grave diggers. 34.
Whoa, not yet.
34 grave diggers hidden around our whole backyard. And you have to go through and find all of them.
Okay.
There's anything from a mini to a 164 or a 124. Ready? Go. Wow, you already found some right off the bat. Oh, nice little mini. Oh, neon green 124. You're just gonna pile them in there. What? Who's this in here with you?
I think I can see one behind me right now. Oh, two.
Oh, you'll finish up over there. You gotta go this way. Up through there. Whoa, getting bailed out again.
There, the white. Sam, what
Yeah.
if he tried to do a jump? And he
Oh,
got
it looks
stuck?
like he might have got scared. He might have been trying to go up the jump here. And he's like, oh, I'm gonna go up there.
No, wait, too big.
I don't know. I think he got a little scared. That's one of my favorite grave diggers right there. That white is just so cool.
What's that zombie doing in the leaves?
Oh my gosh. There's a zombie in the leaves.
No, yeah.
Better go get it.
See fire.
Oh, you seen fire?
Uh-oh.
A fire? Oh, there's a fire in there too?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Zombie, what zombies are they doing?
Zombie, I don't know.
Are there any more in here?
I feel like there's another grave digger around here somewhere.
How did he get up there?
What? Get up where?
Up there.
Up in the tree? How did the
Did he drive up here?
How did the mud truck get in the tree?
He loves the mud.
He might have been. Maybe he's doing like some rock climbing here. I really don't know.
Come here.
Get out of there.
Over there.
In the grass over there? I don't know. Let's go
I
find
think
out.
that's a grave digger.
Whoa,
Yep, it is a
that was a
grave digger.
close one.
What? That's that guy. Oh, he loves sand. That's why they're there.
Oh, sand tires over there. You already spotted him.
What is that? And they got next to a tree out there.
That's a tree? That's just a tree house. A little birdhouse.
And look, people are climbing in the pool.
In the
too.
pool? Oh my. There's a lot
Why
up
is
there.
that fishing pole over there?
I don't know. Grab your grave digger and let's keep going.
That's the color changer grave digger. Color changer one.
I still feel like there's one around here somewhere.
That's probably the sand tire. You, mister.
What? Oh, that one was sneaky. You almost drove right past that one. You were gonna leave that one for the dogs to
Swinging over there. On my swing.
in your swing? Oh man.
People are stealing my stuff.
All these grave diggers.
Just stop. Sand tires right there.
Sand tires.
Oh, golden.
A golden. The rare golden mini.
Is there anything in the tree?
I don't see anything in the apple tree. So I think you found all in this location.
Let's go in that pool.
Go to the pool. Whoa! What? What?
He wanted to surf. What?
Hey, what is this going on back here? What's this little guy doing?
I put him back there.
You put him back there?
Hey, look, surf grave digger. He must be surfing.
Oh, there's a surf grave digger all the way over there.
These people are climbing.
Oh, there's 3 grave diggers right on the ladder.
What's that in the pool?
In the pool? I can't quite tell. I don't know what it is.
It might be on the fishing pole. It could be a fish.
Oh, there's a fishing pole here. Might as well just reel it in. Oh my gosh, that is heavy.
Whoa,
Oh,
it's a grave digger.
he was pulling drag. It's a big grave digger.
Must be a big fish.
Must be.
Gotta get him off the line. So,
Oh, I've seen it. It's a little bit higher though than normal. Ah, you found it.
What the heck is he doing?
I don't. I think he was trying to like.
Shocked.
He was gonna get shocked. Yeah, if it got too high.
Look, he got shocked and turned to all grave digger.
Oh man, he must have got electrocuted.
Look, this guy's surfing over there.
Oh, there's a fire starting in the leaves over there.
What the heck?
Oh my goodness. How many more grave diggers can there be? You've got like a truck full already. Oh, you're falling out of your truck even.
This guy's been to the axle.
You got a bent axle?
Yep. There's something behind you.
Something behind me?
Look. Something right next to you.
Right next to me. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Ah, grave diggers surf.
Canal. Canal, surfer.
Oh, got him. Trying to take care of your pool. Trying to do the takeover.
Not this time.
Not this time.
Sorry. Hey, get the air.
Oh my gosh, so many grave diggers in here.
I think I need a. Greg's doing some of the friends.
Oh, no, the tiki torch, man.
I think I can see something over there.
How are we going to get around here? Whoa, what's over here? It's Grim. You think he's the one that hit all these?
Yeah.
Grim.
You.
Grim, the leader of all the grave diggers, hiding all of them everywhere. Which way are you going to go? Are you going to go this way or this way?
I think I'm gonna go. I'm not sure how I'm fit.
You might have to pop it up on the concrete there. Oh, pop it up. Oh, take out the swing. Oh my gosh, you moved the whole swing. There you go. Oh, it's off-road.
30 years.
Oh, he was doing some off-roading like you were just doing some off-roading.
Hey, what are those people doing in that hole out there?
Well, some all the way up there in that hole.
30 years.
30 years.
He must be 30 years out here.
30 years, he's been off-roading. Drop Grim back there. Behind you.
Oh no.
No.
Are you right?
Grim, are you alright, man?
I think he is. Probably gonna have superpowers.
Superpowers.
I think my truck is getting full.
The truck is getting full.
Oh, that's a good idea. Put him in that tank.
Alright, you're unloaded, so. Oh, got some spinning going on over here. And reverse.
Full speed.
Full speed. Oh, what's you got over here?
Ice grade and grade digger wood.
Ooh, a couple blue grave diggers.
What are those people jumping on a trampoline out there?
I don't know. I didn't know trucks could jump on a trampoline.
I think there's 4 out there. Something right next to you.
Something right next to me. Oh, I see a neon up there.
He's a sneaker.
Oh, it's a sneaker.
How can a grandma do that?
Grandma Gravedigger, what are you doing over here?
Guess we're taking a little nap.
Take a little nap.
Well, maybe I need to back up.
Oh, you might make it.
Oh, this guy's not in a hole.
Oh, he's not in a hole. No?
There's a bug on him.
Oh, he is super bright. You can spot him from all the way across the yard almost.
Like that.
You got him.
4.
Now I think you got to back up. You got to go around the trampoline.
Oh. Look at those people jumping on that trampoline.
Yeah.
Oh, that guy probably loves it.
Oh, there's a few trucks in there. They're probably way over the weight limit. Oh, here he goes. Got him.
Mud truck.
Mud truck. Oh, the mud truck. He almost came out of the trampoline. We found the big one earlier.
This guy just wants to get out of here. Why is fire in a circle? I guess
know.
where to get that sound is.
How many trucks are up there?
3.
3? Oh, one's trying to get away.
Hey, look.
Ah, like, I don't you make baskets with us? We're not basketballs. 1,
Ding.
2, 3.
Why are those people jumping on that trampoline?
I don't know. It's so weird. Why would monster trucks on the trampoline? Grim.
Not even-
Grim put them in the weirdest places. Let's keep going. Oh my goodness. You're doing some destruction. Whoa, 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 you're missing some. What kind of plant is this? It grows gravedigger ride-alongs. This is the coolest plant ever.
Wow.
Wow.
I don't know how it did that.
I don't know how it did that. I wonder if it grows other.
2 people coming out of my tree house. Stealing my tree house.
Do you think it grows other gravediggers? I think it might. Do you see them?
And the other one, do you see any?
Yeah, I see 2 more.
Oh, yeah, I can see one. Gotcha now.
Got you now, man. Ooh,
Nice
He's
try.
stuck
Nice
in it.
try.
nice try. Can't hide from Karter.
Oh, the gravedigger training trick.
A training trick?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one grows. This little hedge here grew ride-alongs, glow in the dark, and training trucks.
I might check that big green spot right here real quick.
Yeah.
No,
Nothing?
somewhere a popsicle.
Ah, one of the puppy's popsicles.
I'm a puppy, eat popsicle.
Yeah.
Gotcha now, gravedigger training truck. Oh, hey.
Whoa, you're rolling backwards.
One putting in my sandbox.
Oh, you even see some in the sandbox already?
Nice try. Nice
Ooh.
try. Nice try.
He was hiding pretty good.
Gotcha now.
Where you go now?
Just on an off-road.
Going off-road? I think that's as far as you can go. Doing a burnout.
Now I get to have to walk.
Now you gotta walk. Crash the gravedigger.
Thanks.
Oh, you found one. He was swinging. Oh, you found one little. There
There
you
might
go.
be one in that box at the end. Make sure at the end.
Nothing in the target box.
That's
You found all 34. Was that fun?
Yeah,
What do you think?
good.
Oh, that's a freestyle going on now?
Mhm.
Oh, donuts, donuts. Every gravedigger loves to do donuts.
Mhm.
Meow. Around it goes.
Take
Nice
this. Eat my guts.
Ow. Oh, too much dust.
Fun?
Oh, missed me.
Ugh.
Oh, ugh. I'm gonna be eating dirt for days now. Yeah. Ooh, it ain't sand that matches my gold. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Watch where you're going, flame guy. I love this. Oh, here we go. Ouch! Another fire. Which fire do you like better? This fire or that fire?
I think this one.
This one? This one is really cool. It's got like the flame
Eat my duck,
tires.
little guy.
Oh wow, that was a lot of dust.
Eat
Now, I'm getting out of here. It's way too dusty over here for me. Oh, donuts. That gravedigger loves to do donuts too. Oh, he front flipped. Could not
Probably
save
done
it.
for.
He's done for. Could not save it.
Wait.
Box of gravediggers.
Eat my dust.
No, no one wants to eat your dust over here, man. No, I'm tired of eating dust. Oh my gosh, I ate his dust, Now I'm eating your dust? No, thank you.
Look at how dirty wheels he has.
Yeah, those are really dusty. Oh, bicycle.
Grandpa. Hey guys, I love this place.
He loves that place. Hey, your tires already look like they're dirty.
I love it.
Love, oh, he smashed that rock. Oh, he's trying to dig a hole? What?
Ever?
He loves to get down in the dirt. Oh, he hit that rock right there and he did not save it. Could not throttle out. You buried a rock? Oh, you dug up the rock.
It's eat my dust.
Eat my dust. Ooh. Oh, so much dust. Oh, so much dust. Ooh, what's that one? Ooh, big old dust cloud.
Eat my dust, everybody.
No, no one wants to eat your guys' dust. Enough. Ah. Yes, do what Gravedigger Surf said. We are tired of eating dust. No. Ah. Oh, bicycle.
Somebody probably does this out Monster down.
Yeah, that's a son of a digger. He's really good at driving on his sidewalls like that. Oh, nice up the rock. Rolls all the way down.
I'm just getting out of here.
Getting out of here.
Whoa,
Whoa.
This dust place is fun.
Come on, come back. Come back to
Nice
the dirt
jump.
pit.
That was a nice jump.
That was. Oh, big dust cloud. There was one more gravedigger. I completely forgot about it.
Who was it?
I can't remember what it was. There was one more though.
One more mini?
No, it wasn't mini. I feel like it was
White
one.
grave digger?
No. Do you remember what it was? Keaton. Keaton is no help.
Just one more for sure because he took a picture of all of them, and I don't think there was. I know that there was one more that Dad hid that I don't think you guys had found yet.
Uh-oh.
Might have hid like one or two up here, so you probably should check around this area just to be sure before we go inside.
We cannot leave them out here all night. I don't even know where this one's at because I didn't even hide it.
It's like one of the mini ones.
Oh, the white one? Oh.
Did you check the sandbox or no?
Maybe right here.
Oh, this mound? What is that? What?
It's the galaxy.
I didn't hide that. What the heck?
new grave digger.
This one is like, this might even complete your collection of the Gears and Galaxy.
We gotta hide this one.
Well, it was already hid.
Yeah.
That's the one that Mom hid.
That was the one I hid. I was tricking you so you'd come look. That was the surprise grave digger.
Now let's see. Open it.
Open it.
Oh, look on the back.
Oh, that is so cool.
I think I want to keep the back that way.
You want to keep the cards? Yeah.
That thing is cool.
Oh, almost got, oh, ripped it off. There you go. There they are.
There's Grave Digger.
Grave Digger Galaxy. The Galaxy tires, they just look so like squishy, like they'd be like gummies.
Yeah. That's gonna be up here.
Sinking in quicksand.
Wow,
That was the worst day ever.
that was a bad day.
Now we can make a ramp.
Make some ramp. Might be able to a little bit.
Let's flat this.
Flatten that out. There you go. Oh,
Land this.
landed it. Goes again. Oh, almost rolled it.
This guy does fast, don't it?
Whoa. Blue Thunder, what are you doing crashing the Gravedigger video, man?
Stop right there, Blue Thunder.
Uh-oh. Gravedigger sounds upset.
Get out of here.
So we upgraded your Gravedigger battery. So that worked pretty good. Pulled a whole tree limb. And then it was able to go make a whole lap around the yard. Found how many Gravediggers?
What number?
34 Gravediggers.
Wow.
Wow. So, was that all pretty fun?
If you want to subscribe.
What'd you say? What'd you say?
Make sure you like and subscribe. Watch out my video. Bye.